Listen closely, because time is running out. You have exactly 30 days before summer starts. 30 days to fix everything winter destroyed. If you don't, you'll wake up in June feeling like a failure, wondering why you wasted another season of your life. Right now, you're either transforming or falling behind. Winter was survival mode. You were tired, unmotivated, wasting time indoors. Summer is the performance arc. It's too late to start then. But spring? Spring is your training arc, your last chance to level up before it's too late. And if you're the type who keeps saying, "I'll start tomorrow," stick around because I've got the ultimate fix for that coming up. Here's how. Days 1 to 10, fix your sleep. Wake up earlier, move more, reclaim your energy. Days 10 to 20, remove weakness. Cut distractions, bad habits, and excuses. Days 20 to 30, accelerate. Train daily, read daily, push yourself. Small wins stack. By June, you'll be unrecognizable. But most people won't do this. They'll hear this and do nothing. The clock is ticking. Will you rise up or stay the same? Drop "I'm Ian" in the comments if you're starting today, and if procrastination is your biggest enemy, the video on screen next will destroy it. Watch now. This is only the beginning.